Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy CJ the Barber, and I'm coming at you today with a nice simple fade demo. So as you can tell, I'm starting halfway through the cut. Some of my footage got deleted, but hey, we're gonna work with what I got. Right here, I'm taking out my first guideline with my wild magic clips, no guard. Right here I have my master with number 2 guard on it, and all I'm doing is debugging and just cutting her. One thing I learned, man, after cutting for 5 years, you can't be afraid to cut the hair. You got to cut the hair. You got to. Okay, and right here I have my 1 guard on now, so all I'm doing is taking the guideline out, fading it in. Now I have my 0 guard on. I'm still tagging that line. Okay, now as you can tell, I have no guard on, and I'm just notching away at the line. And what you do to one side, you pretty much do to the rest of the head. So I start out with my 2 guard and I debug. Then I go along to my 1 guard, then my 0 guard, then no guard. Just simple. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram at _CJ the Barber. Right here, all I'm doing, I'm just slowing down the video so you can see. All I'm doing is notching away at that line. Like I'm not doing anything hard. I'm just showing you simple methods with simple techniques to get your desired look. Yeah, like I said, man, I'm CJ the Barber. I'm based out of Jackson, Mississippi. I've been cut for 5 years, And when I was coming up in the game, I was looking at all these bar videos, and I was like, man, I want to do that one day. So I said, man, hey, why not start now? Gotta start somewhere. Right here, all I'm doing is applying hold and spray, to lock those hairs in when I get ready to line them up. And hey, like I said, man, it's just a simple basic fade demo. Nothing too complicated or flashy yet. I can get real flashy, by using enhancements and things like that. But I'm just here to help my beginner barbers out. If you need any help, man, just write down in the comment section or send me a message, or hit me up on Instagram, and I'll gladly get back with you or help you out wherever I can. Right here, all I'm doing is fading out his beard so he won't have that point or hard line at the top of the beard. Nothing too fancy. All I'm doing is just making a smoother transition for a haircut. Man, those heroes hit nice. I always make sure to invest in yourself, man. Invest in your craft. Makes your job a lot more easy and a lot smoother. In this game, man, we're gonna have a lot of clients, man. And most of the clients not gonna be ideal clients. You know what I'm saying? But that's a whole nother topic for another video. But what I mean is, you're not gonna have the ideal hairline, the ideal head shapes for haircuts, But it's not about all this. It's about what you can do to the haircut, what you can do to make it stand out, Every haircut not gonna be a sporting wave, Jet magazine cut, But you take whatever client you have and you flex him up, make him feel like he's supposed to be on a Jet magazine, or sporting wave can. What can you do to flex him out? And once again, man, check my Instagram out at _CJ the Barber. If you still rock with me during this video, man, I really appreciate it. I hope you're taking away some helpful tips and tricks of the trade. You know what I'm saying? I just appreciate you for watching, man. Make sure you hit that like, and subscribe to your boy channel for more content. Alright, YouTube, it's been good, man. Appreciate everybody for coming to the video. I hope that you took something from the video. It's my first video, so like I said, with more content, more feedback, I'll get better with time. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get back with you. Peace.